Hello there. I've got a little recommendation for you. Do, do, do. Gosh. Okay, everybody. I need to get the word out about this book. I've actually done a few recipe tutorial videos from recipes that were in this book. It's called The Little Foodie. Okay, of course you can get it on Amazon. I think it's worth every dime. I'll put the price in the link below. But this is a can't fail recipe book. It's one of the most well written recipe books I've ever seen. I mean, look at this thing. It comes with photos, well thought out recipes, instructions. It gives you answers to frequently asked questions. I mean, she even, our author, I should probably say her name. Her name is Michelle Oliver with Sarah Peternell, M&T. Okay, those are her credentials, but I think it was a collaboration. So they did the book together. The author starts off with like this beautiful introduction and tells us that her child inspired her writing this particular recipe book. And all of these recipes were infused with so much love. I mean, you can just feel like the care and the respect and the love that goes into each of these recipes. And she did it for her little one. And so, if you want that same, vibration going through your kitchen, I mean, this is a good start for new moms and new dads also. I mean, come on, daddy goals, where you at, right? For those who are interested in buying food for making food for your little one in your kitchen, homemade, this is a good place to start because it's not just recipes. I mean, she really does break down like some 4 month plus recipes, 4 to 6 months, 6 months and up. I think there's 9 months and up, and then up to like 24 months, so 2 years old. And so she's giving recommendations for each stage, because obviously babies who are 5 months old who start purees can't handle some of these like really hearty recipes like this. They're going to need something really simple. They're going to need like a really great puree. So this book has a ton of stuff. I've done at least 10 recipes from this book. And again, there's so many in here. I'm still trying to get through them all. Some of my favorites, well, let me get started. Um, so there's not only, there's a lot of frequently asked questions in here, and she's obviously going to give you some great answers. There are um, some warnings about what not to do, what not to give babies before 12 months old. So, like, it literally has everything in there. Just a lot of tips and tricks about making food for your little one. Now, she also gave me the idea on how to freeze baby food in ice trays. And so I just took that idea and completely ran with it. And it was amazing because once I would make a big batch of applesauce, for instance, I would, store half of it in the fridge. And then I would buy these like silicone ice trays and put like little puree, basically ice cubes, in the freezer. And as I needed them, I could just pop out a cube, let it unthaw in the fridge overnight, and I would have, fresh applesauce. It was so easy to just, you know, keep a nice rotation going. The first puree that I made was applesauce and peas. And of course, every mom wants to give their baby a nice balance. Don't overdo it on fruits. That's what everybody told me, right? So I gave him the peas and he rejected them. Okay. But me mixing apples and peas together um, made it, a little bit more pleasurable for him. And so he actually was able to enjoy that puree. And that just warms my heart. It made me so happy that I kind of cracked the code. And so that's what this book does. It really does crack the code and gives you a lot of recipes with veggies in there in the mix, and it makes for a really well balanced meal for for the little ones. So this book is really absolutely amazing. Okay. So some of the recipes that I have tried that were like 4-month friendly and up are going to be apples and cinnamon, a pea puree, pear and clove, mumbo Italiano. That's a good one. Superhero greens puree with chicken. I did do a recipe on my channel for that. I'll link it right here. And then pit perfect with thyme. And that's actually pitted fruits. So like peaches, nectarines, and other pitted fruits, and you make a puree out of it. Sprinkle a little thyme. I mean, these are like foodie, bougie approved baby food recipes. But that one was actually really good. I mean, I even enjoyed it. So again, it's for the sophisticated baby, right? What I love about what's on the tagline of this book is recipes for babies and toddlers with taste. Okay, so on the back, I'll just read a little insert. It says, "The food you eat, but smaller." That's all it is, right? So, this liberating cookbook for the newest eater in your family encourages foodie parents to think beyond the baby food aisle. Go way past and back to your kitchen, okay? Here you'll find over 100 recipes for babies and toddlers that are so appetizing and so nutritious that they're sure to devour them all. Okay, let's call it taste test right along with your little one. So these recipes are such a slam dunk for my mommy and me recipe tutorials. Like whatever I pull from this book, I'm going to love it, baby's going to love it, the family will enjoy. Okay? That's the point. We don't want to do two different meals at every mealtime, you know. We want something that's, super family friendly. Everyone loves it. Consider yourself warned. Your child's first words might just be, "More, please." This is so cute. Okay, so funny story. Wasn't my little one's first words, but he did start saying, good, good, while he was eating his food. And so that actually does make me very happy that he thought his food was very good. And that's exactly how he says it. So again, I can't say enough great things about this book. There are still so many recipes that I want to try. I've also done the green beans and parsley, which is 6 months plus friendly. The recipes that I do want to try, oh my goodness, there's so many. I have a list right in front of me. So there's the green veggie loaded mini quiche. Oh my goodness. Let me see. The mini quiche just looks so good. And some of these recipes in here actually have really awesome photos that she added. And, obviously that helps. I've made this one orange avocado cucumber. I'll just flash some photos for you guys so you can see how good some of this stuff looks. Here's a fluffy apple quinoa pancake. Oh my goodness. These look mouth watering, okay? I mean, here we go. This is a summer hatch green chili pizza, corn and chicken sausage. Are you kidding me? Who's looking for a good pizza recipe for the family? Well, she's got one for you. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. DIY toddler sushi bar. Come on now. Exposing the babies to sushi. Who's ready for that? Okay. This is one of my absolute favorites that is definitely on my list that I have to try. It's a green tomatillo and chicken enchilada. It's Grammy's recipe. Oh my goodness, that looks so amazing. Like, I'm ready to run to the kitchen right now. Okay, this was really cute too. Sweet potato lasagna roll up, spinach and ricotta. I mean, you gotta love these photos. I mean, this thing is so well made. I mean, it must have taken her a year or two to put this together, and it's literally amazing. Chicken and udon noodles. That looks amazing. Amazing. You know, I hope I get to meet this author one day, because she really has impacted the way I'm preparing food and kind of like the just overall posture that I have when it comes to, making food for my little guy. Like, you really do get a lot of confidence when you're equipped with such really great recipes and great knowledge about what to feed and how to feed your little guy. Here's a cilantro pesto pasta and colorful veggies. Come on now. Who's ready for that? So good, so good. One of my favorites that I made recently, and I have a video about this too, I'll link it up here, is a zucchini and berry bread loaf. Now, my little guy, sometimes he tries certain foods for a day, and then the second day it's like, what? I don't like this anymore. But this particular recipe he liked on day 2 and 3. So I call that a success. Now, I was able to hide the zucchini in the bread, and you could hardly even taste the zucchini, but it really is amazing. It reminds me of kind of like a blueberry muffin, but he loves it. Like, he'll eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It does have a lot of ingredients in it. I will say that. You have to have a little time on your hands, but this is a can't fail recipe that has veggies in it. So again, you got to try this recipe if you have time. A lot of pantry ingredients, so it's definitely easy to make. Here's a DIY fiesta. Oh, sorry. Fiesta bowl. I didn't mean to show the Fiesta bowl. Ooh, wow. These really do look good. Okay, I'll show you like one or two more. Here we go. Vegan. So there's some vegan options. Vegan butternut squash mac and cheese. Come on. What kid doesn't like mac and cheese, right? That's a winner. Let's see. One more. Let's get a good one. Oh, I've been meaning to try this. So this is actually a baby meatloaf, and she has a really cool name for it, but that's essentially what it is. See that meatloaf? Ooh, yes. And it looks really, really good. I cannot wait to get into some of these other recipes. If you have any questions about this book, or again, you're just wondering, like, what else can I expect from this book? Drop your questions below, and I'm happy to like answer them for you. I'm not going to give away any recipes because I really do want you guys to go and support this author. Like, she definitely deserves the accolades, all of the support because of how much she poured into this book. Again, it really has been amazing, and I know that it'll be one of your favorite go-to books and instructional guides for how to make food for your little one and how to prepare it and when and where and how. I mean, it literally is like everything that you need all rolled up into one amazing little foodie book. So I hope you guys get this. And again, link is below. If you enjoyed this review of the little foodie book, don't forget to like, give me a thumb. Don't forget to comment down below who's buying it. If you have any questions, comment below. And then also subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I drop another one of these cool review videos. Okay? So thank you for watching. If you got this far, I appreciate you. Thank you for the support for the channel. And let's just keep growing. Hey, guess what? You can also share the link, okay? Get somebody else to join the Mommy Goals gang. Get somebody, get a daddy, okay? Daddies have goals too. So Daddy Goal gang, let's go, okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.